there, beauties. So I do not mean to be a dead horse, but I cannot emphasize enough how important and crucial this step is in having the perfect fit for your wig. So as you can see, no more lion's mane. My hair is all braided up. I actually have it in 6 braids straight back. You can either do cornrows or Dutch braids. So inside braids or outside braids, whichever ones work best for you. At least a minimum of 4 braids. You can have as many as you want, but please remember, the smaller your braids are, if your hair is thicker, you're going to have a better fit. By having the braids, it compresses it down. The other thing that the braids does is it alleviates your hair from being able to move around. You do not want your hair to be able to move around under this. If your hair is moving and loose underneath your wig, then guess what? Your wig is going to be moving and loose. So we don't want that. You have to have your hair braided. You can either do it, you can have it professionally done. You can go to someone to have it braided. If you do have hair loss, I do recommend from a professional standpoint, especially for women with hair loss, to refrain from that. I am working on getting hairstylists that know my special hair loss techniques that are best for women with hair loss, so that it would promote hair growth and your hair being healthy rather than cause any damage, because sometimes if your hair is not braided properly, if you have hair loss, it can easily damage your hair. So that's not what we want. So if you are someone that is not in the Dallas, Texas area, please comment your city and state, and I'm working on getting stylists to be able to know my techniques so that you can be able to have someone that can do your hair for you if you're not able to braid it yourself. If you're able to braid it yourself, go on ahead and do that. Make sure you're not braiding it too tight, and you know, if you don't have any hair, then you don't have anything to worry about. If you're someone who doesn't have much hair, this step is still crucial, because even if you don't have very much hair, the hair that you do have could move around underneath your wig and it could lead to an improper fit. The other thing why this is so crucial is for your fit. If, for instance, with me, my head is a 21.5-inch circumference. However, with all of my hair out, it's 23 inches. So the only way that my head can be true to size is whenever my hair is braided down. So you could have a discrepancy in the measurements you actually need if your hair is not done properly underneath your wig. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please comment them below. I'm here to help you guys. Please remember that all of my custom wigs come with complimentary wig assistance. That is me one-on-one with you, helping you every step of the way. I'm not just going to give you your wig and then you have to figure it out. No, I'm here to help you. That's why I've spent the time to make these videos, and hope you guys appreciate it. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, and comment on this video to let me know that it's helping you so I can know to continue. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.